the trend towards control cabinet-free automation is unbreakable and always increasing. Therefore, WAGO offers with its I/O system field metal housings and also plastic housings for different kind of module types. One further highlight is the extended network connectivity inside of the fieldbus modules, which are covered by Ethernet-based field buses, by IO-Link Master and also IO-Link hubs as devices. You will also find an OPC UA server, which is beside an MQTT protocol responsible for data transfer to clouds. You will also find a Bluetooth interface inside of the fieldbus modules, and a web server is also integrated. Well, another thing is that an integrated load management is offered. You can find a very convenient tooling for all those things. So device descriptions, an IO-Link configurator will be offered, and also the web server, and of course an app for the mobile applications. The modules itself are configurable IOs. All the field buses are equipped with an electronic type plate, which is also covered by an UII, sorry. The modules itself can be mounted like you recognize it here in an axial way or also in a lateral way.